Good morning! Happy Tuesday morning all, my followers, friends, relatives. Kumusta guys? Hope okay ra mo tanan. Early walking again in the morning. Happy Tuesday everyone. Kumusta? Walking na puta guys, kay wa man tay lingaw. So every morning tagaan gyud nato tong kagalingon nga mag-walk. Di ba? At least na movement ang atong lawas and there is movements in our body. So walking early in the morning, time check, it's almost 7 a.m. in the morning, Tuesday. So, hello, kumusta lahat? How are you this morning? Good morning sa mga estudyante dyan, mga trabahante, content creators, reelers, viewers. Hello, how are you? Good morning. Happy Tuesday morning all. Keep going lang ta guys, laban lang tayo sa hamon ng buhay kahit mahali na ang mga bilihin, no? So, keep going. Good morning all. Happy Tuesday morning. Thank you for watching.